Welcome back to my channel. This time, I'll show you how to create a microphone icon using a template. If you need the template, you can download it for free. Well, let's get right into the tutorial. Okay, let's start with the box object. Let's adjust the angle. Now, let's make a handle out of the microphone. Well, I think this is better. Let's move on to the other icons. Now, let's cut out this section with the rectangle. Now, select both objects, go to the Path tab, and choose Difference. Okay, let's remove the line in the section. Okay, let's duplicate the icon. Now, let's select it and go to the Path tab and choose Stroke to Path. And we also choose Union. Now, let's duplicate the icon and create a different icon style. That's great. Now, let's add color to the circle object. And drag the microphone icon so that it's positioned at the top, and change its color to white. Let's create a rectangular object to cut out the circular object. Now, let's select these two objects, then go to the Path tab and choose Difference. We duplicate the object and select Vertical Mirroring. Now, let's duplicate this object again. Then go to the Path tab and select Union. Let's add some color, and we'll also make this completely solid, with no gaps in the icon. And here it is. Now, let's fill in the middle section. And this is too. And here's the result. Thanks for watching. See you later.